As residency by investment programs continue to garner tremendous interest, it becomes essential for prospective investors to understand the specifics of the application forms and the details associated with them. Today, we explain to you the various required documents and information sets that are needed to apply to get your Golden Visa. Civil documents must be provided to supplement the information, and they may be requested in an original format or as a copy. A government may request additional information from an applicant, but in essence, civil documents and personal information are an obvious necessity. If an applicant wishes to add family members to their application, they must include personal and civil information for each member and highlight familial bonds. Some programs offer different investment categories for applicants to choose from. There are also various options such as investing in mutual funds or making capital investments. An applicant must commit to investment they choose initially, but if they change their mind, they will need to have a legal representative rescind the application and file a new one. One of the most difficult aspects of any residency by investment application is proving the source of funds for the investment. An investor may have to prove where the money for the investment comes from. Those who have the entire investment amount with a simple route to track where it came from can easily prove their source of funds. However, those with a complex revenue stream framework may be better off applying to a program with lax source of funds requirements. Residency by investment programs require documented proof that the investment has been made. This is usually shown through a signed purchase agreement, bank transfer certificates, bank statements, and property registration. For other investment options, such as mutual fund investments, they can show a fund management agreement and the transfer of the amount to the fund's bank account. This is the most important part of any residency by investment program, as the country granting a residence permit wants to ensure that whoever enters is a person of good character. Applicants can expect the government to request some documents related to the due diligence process, such as police certificates, certificates of good conduct, outstanding court orders, and more. Applicants undergoing a criminal trial will be refused. However, if acquitted, they can submit an appeal accompanied by the official court decision. Applicants facing a civil lawsuit can apply. Due diligence is the backbone of any residency by investment program, and the more documents a person can provide, the better their chances are. Some programs require information regarding the applicant's travel history. This could be for the past 5 years, 10 years, or more, depending on the program. Travel history is simple to prove by using the dates on one's passport, and even if they do not have their old passports, an estimation would usually do just fine. At Savior & Partners, we always make our clients' journey as simple and enjoyable as possible, as our expertise, network of connections, and inside knowledge allows us to understand what documents and information are needed for each specific case. To know more about residency by investment applications, contact us today to speak with one of our experts.